Hello everyone, welcome once again at Rrinor Finance and welcome in this series Python for the stocks, where we are trying to help the traders to analyze any stocks and finding any patterns in less possible time, right? So we are using Python for this to analyzing different stocks, different pattern, and defining the data and trying to find the exact data, exact pattern over the different listed stocks. In last video, we fetched these four data points: open, low, high, close, because these are the four data points which will be forming any pattern, any candle, and through this we will be trying to getting the exact pattern. So now in this video we will be discussing these data points in depth from a technical point of view, how they looks, what their meaning, why they are important, right? So what is open, what is close, what is low, what is high? So open is nothing much, where the stock price started for the particular day. Close, where the stock price ended for the particular day. Low, the lowest point where it had marked for the particular day. High, the highest point. Here we will see what is the lowest and what is the highest point. So you can see these are the candle of the daily candles for the 2 days. The highest point for the both bearish and the bullish candle, you can see, is this point. If I will mark, then this will be the point where it is the highest point, right? And for the bullish candle, this is the highest point, right? So this is the high for both days. And if we will talk about the lowest point, then for this day the lowest point is this, so this is the low. And for the bearish candle and the second day, this is the lowest point, so this is the low, right? Now if we will see about the open and high, so for particular day when prices open, then that is the open price. So here you can see this is the price in the blue. You can see where the stocks open for the particular day, and it went down a bit at this point where it marked low and went up to this point where it marked the high, but it closes at this point, right? So where you can see the body, that is the closing. If you can't see the body of particular day, then it closes that where the body you can see. If there is no body, something like this candle, where is the no body, then here open, low, high, close will be the same, right? Now let's see if we can see all these four data points in a same chart. Now you can see this is the high for this candle, this will be the low, this is where it started, and here this is the body where here we can see, and this will be the close, right? And if we will see for the bearish candle, then high and low will be the same, but open and close will be different. Here close will be the same, but after that the stock will move down because this is a bearish candle, then this will be the closing price. But here if you see, the close in bullish candle forms above, but close in the bearish candle forms below. Now let's see, generally we see different type of candles in each day, right? They are not general what we see in each day. That's why we got confused, where is low, where is high, right? So here I had taken some of the example through which I will be discussing where is the low and high, and I am sure besides this you will not find any candle where you will not able to find their low and high and close. This is the beginning step. Of course, if you are expert, if you are knowing this point, then it might sound irrelevant to you, so you can skip this video if you are. But those who are beginner, those who are new, they must know these things, because this is the basic. Then after only we will be moving, because these four things are very important. It tells a lot of things about the buyer behavior, what they are saying, what they are looking for, right? Where is the buyer strength, where is the seller strength, right? Now let's see this point, right? Here we know we can't see anybody, neither we see any shadow, like this thing where this is called the shadow, but we can't see any this type of shadow. So this is neither the shadow, so it didn't form the high, it didn't form the low, but it actually formed, but all these open, close, high, low at the same level. Now what this candle is telling, if I will go one more step further, then it is saying no one is taking the interest. So it means the price at a point where neither buyers are ready to buy, neither sellers are ready to sell. That's why it forms something like that, right? Now you can see this candle. This is a Morubaji candle, but here what happened? It doesn't form any shadow. It didn't form any shadow. This is the shadow, but it didn't form any shadow. It means the price where market opens, this is, and the lowest price, both are the same, right? Open price and low price, because this is the point where it didn't gone anything below this point. So this is the open is only the low. Same goes for Morubaji candle. This thing, high will be the equals to the closing. And for this candle, you can see this is the normal candle. Either you can see this is the normal, you can see generally you find this candle here. This is the open where it started, but it formed the low, right, at this point. And also you can see this form the close at this point, and it marked the highest of that day at this point. So this is its high. This is again very interesting candle. You can see doji candle where open and close of this candle is same, but it makes the low, the lowest point where it moved for the particular day, and also it formed the high for the particular day, right? Here you can see. And if you will same go, this trend was for the bullish stocks generally. Now if you will see for the bearish, then again there is nothing change. Again if you see these things, then it is open, close, high, low at the same point. But when the bearish Morubaji candle form, then here is the one thing, it opens same, but for the bearish it was the high, but when there is the bullish, then it is for the low. For bullish candle, the opening price is the lowest price, but for the bearish candle, opening price is the highest price, because after that the price just go below, it didn't go up, right? So here you can see this is the low and close, and for this general candle and for this candle you can see. So this is all what we had today discussed, but in the coming videos we will be going more in depth, we will be understanding. But in next video we will try to show all these things in a code, how we can, let's suppose if we want to find any candle where its open and low is same and high and close are the same, so that candle will be a Morubaji candle, and how we will be try to define the data, and we will try to get that. So that's all for the today. Let's meet you all in the next video. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.